Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A5 headrest. First, sit in the rear seat or lean the front seat forward to get a good view of the headrest posts. You'll notice two metal rods extending from the headrest into the seat back. One of these posts contains a hidden release mechanism, which is crucial for removal. Prepare a small, blunt tool, such as a sturdy pencil or a thin pick, to assist you in this process. Now focus on the left-hand post of the headrest, specifically where it enters the seat. You should find a small, round plastic circle or a tiny pinhole. This is your hidden release. Take your blunt tool, like a pencil, and firmly press down into this circle. You'll feel a spring-loaded mechanism engage. It's important to keep constant pressure on this button while you proceed to the next step. With the release button still pressed down, use your other hand to gently but firmly pull the headrest straight upwards. You might need to apply a bit of upward pressure to overcome the initial resistance. Pull evenly on both sides of the headrest to prevent it from getting stuck. Be mindful of any electrical connectors, if present, to ensure they don't snag or get damaged as the headrest slides out of its guides. To reinstall your headrest, simply align the two metal posts with their respective guide holes in the seat back. Push the headrest straight down firmly. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it has locked into position. There's no need to press the release button during reinstallation. Always double-check that the headrest is securely fastened and cannot be easily pulled up before you begin driving, ensuring optimal safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.